So here's some skull puffball mushrooms. Now that I ran them through the dehydrator. Yeah, they'll keep like that indefinitely. Again, only 2 out of the 5 I had were salvageable. Maybe like 2.5. They don't really lose much volume when you dry them. They shrivel up a little bit, but yeah, I didn't really care for them fresh, but once they've been dried, they'll rehydrate with whatever you put them on or in, and it gives them a better texture and flavor than they would have otherwise. And also just the, how long they keep. But yeah, that's about it.